Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, why does your LENOVO ThinkPlus XT92 are not charging? Firstly, I recommended to have a foil at the charging contacts. So right here on the front side we have charging contacts, this one too, golden dot. Make sure that you haven't foil and remove if you have. And also you can check a foil at the charging case. So remove from the case also, especially if you buy a new earbud. Next step is to clean this charging contact. So you can apply isopropyl alcohol on them if you have it, and then clean it with a brush, or if you have any clean tool with a toothbrush. Clean the charging contacts at your earbuds and the charging case. By the way, at this channel we have video how to clean this earbud, so if you don't know how, you can check that video. Okay, also I recommended to check your cable and an adapter. Maybe you need to use another one. And also at the right side right here we have USB-C port. Check is everything okay with this port. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.